Hey, hello everybody. It's Friday morning and the snow remains and it's still cold and it's 6:53 a.m. and we're going to try to make fluffy pancakes. So we're putting milk in there and then we're going to add some pure lemon extract. That's going to curdle the milk. And the effect of that will be to turn it into like a sour milk. We don't want to put too much, that's for sure. Very dangerous. I'll pour in the cap. Okay, so that's mostly milk. It's about a teaspoon, no, maybe a half teaspoon of pure vanilla, no, pure lemon extract, a little water, and we're going to use oranges, but I used lemon extract instead. I didn't have lemons. And we're going to try to make some extra fluffy pancakes. Well, the whole key here is we've got this substitute for buttermilk. We don't want to put too much in because we kind of want the batter to be a little bit thick. Hold on a second. Now that's definitely too thick. Still too thick. Very lemony though. I smell the lemon. You know, I'm going to put a hint of cinnamon in here. How bad could it be? It smells good. Lemon and cinnamon. Cinnamon. Oh yeah, smells really good. Okay, I think that's the right thickness. Raise that heat a little bit. I'm going to need either a giant spoon or a ladle. guess we can use the giant spoon. Interesting. All right. Let's make some of these potentially tall pancakes. Don't know if it's going to work. Well, that's thick. All right, let's come back and see. Okay, cinnamon pancakes. Hopefully they're a little thick. They look a little bit dry. That looks kind of nice. They smell really good. They're a little bit thicker. I can't really grab these things too well. Wonder why. Because I was a little wet. All right, lemon. Used the milk, pure lemon extract, turned it into a soury milk, which is kind of equivalent to buttermilk. We put some cinnamon, got some sweet butter. So it's kind of interesting. Very interesting. All right. Okay, we're going to try to flip these pancakes. Got it on medium heat. They are thick, so they're taking a while to cook. And this is funny because this plastic spatula here cannot grab the pancake. It's just too slippery. Not good. It's good in a way, but for other things, but not for flipping pancakes. All right. Almost done. Okay. Here's the cinnamon lemon pancakes. Those are still cooking. They are a little bit thicker, so it kind of worked. But they're not like an inch thick, but they are at least half an inch or more thick, so that's pretty good. Put in a little syrup. I'm going to remember it's cinnamon lemon extract, turning it into a buttermilk style pancake of sorts. Let's see how it tastes. Hope I cooked it through. Think so. Wow. Very nice. Delicious. Okay, enjoy your breakfast. Thanks for watching.